Okay, Mr. Udin, right?
Yeah.
How about your study? Already finished?
Yes, of course, my study is already finished, and yeah, I so grateful. I finished in 3 semester, just three
So
semester.
you have a Strata 2 already, right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, master, right?
Yeah, I
What
master
kind
in.
of master?
I master of architecture landscape. Landscape architecture is when you have the project about the gardening, planning, and also public space. Public space in
Yeah,
yeah, I
uh,
can
only public
do.
space or ini apa? Design interior,
No, no, not interior.
land, right?
Yeah, just landscape is
Connected with like a
yeah
park.
all about the world surface. I can designing.
Okay, you are so great. Yeah. How old are you now?
I think I'm 26.
Yeah, 26 is okay, no problem. How about that is your ideal cita-cita
My ideal.
to be a
Yeah.
lens
Yeah, of
uh,
course. I want to be a architect, landscape
Yep.
architect, and then also
landscape.
yeah, I also want to be researcher in BRIN. BRIN is a national researcher for Indonesia. Yeah, I interest with research. I'm also interested with what can I do? Presentation. Yeah, I want to be a lecturer.
Lecture.
Yeah.
Yeah, lecturer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What kind of lecturer?
Yeah, of course.
Same.
Yeah, suitable for my major.
Yeah,
landscape
linear,
architecture,
right?
Yeah. And I also have ability in agriculture.
Agriculture,
Yeah.
right?
My
Okay.
bachelor is
Agriculture.
Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
Especially
yeah.
agrotechnology.
So you are the clever man, I think.
Yeah, I think not to be clever.
Okay. So you only think about your future, your ideal, your something in education, but you never think about spouse or couple or getting married.
Yeah, I mostly not have idea for that. I don't
Yeah.
know, and I think I confused when I think about why
To
what
do that, right?
yeah.
Yeah, still confused
Still
because you
confused.
must thinking about education,
Yeah.
about wife,
Yeah.
and then after married you have a child like that.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
must thinking about what um, saving money first, right?
Yeah, of course, having manifest, and I think I do utilize for each other.
Okay,
Yeah.
each other, right?
Each other, yeah,
Yeah.
of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you want to stay in Jakarta, right? Jakarta is very hard competitor. So what do you think about that?
Yeah, of course, but I think I'm not. I do my life with a purpose. I have
Yeah.
a purpose, and yeah, I think when we focus on our purpose and we struggle in
Yep.
this way, yeah, the success is yeah can
Will
be
be
reached,
yeah,
can be
okay.
reached.
Oke, bisa diraih ya sukses
Yes.
itu ya. Oke, I think enough for you for this meeting. So,
Okay.
someday I want to come in your campus.
Yeah, yeah.
Possible?
Yes.
Iya.
Yes. Possible. Yeah, I think
Because I'm
next month.
ugly, ya kan? Saya jelek, and I am not education man.
Yeah, I think that is not problem. You are master too, and you long life learner. You can educate everything you want, and you have open minded.
Open-minded.
Yeah, I think
Wow.
that is, yeah.
The point is open-minded,
Yeah.
right? To be a success, to be a relationship,
Yeah,
to be
of course.
make friend or make family, new family, family not only in with connecting with blood, right?
Yeah, of
Tidak
course.
ada hubungannya dengan darah juga
Yeah,
bisa jadi
like
keluarga.
there
Yeah,
is a,
like us.
connecting with the soul.
Yeah,
and
okay.
We have
Okay,
one
thank
future
you very much. Don't forget
to like,
subscribe,
subscribe,
like,
and
comment. Thank you. Bye bye.